So we gotta kind of look at this log below it and see if it has any bends or anything, but it's pretty straight. It's a slight curve that way. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, that sits in there.
That's good.
Yeah.
No, there's some.
Wow, it actually is really good. Better than I expected.
Yeah,
Like
there's
I see
There's
a
some
few
high
there.
spots
Yeah.
on this side that it needs to come down.
Yeah.
There we go. That feels snug. It's hot. Just gonna drop it in. Yeah, do the 5 seconds mean it's around 350 degrees?
400, yes.
400?
Yeah, I'd say it's around there.
I think it's burned. Looks good in the middle.
This looks delicious.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Yum yum.
Very good. Just want to share a little tip here. If you're going to be swinging a mallet all day long, if you start using your whole arm and doing hard swings, you're going to wear your shoulder out in a hurry. And I know from experience, building other things where I've used my whole arm, I've learned that just really fine little taps and really focusing on accuracy, I'm cutting right on that pencil line, just that little vibration, I can do a lot more of these in a day and get just as much work done. So I've got my shoulder tucked in, my elbows tucked in right against my side, and I'm just doing this, little taps with my wrist. That's gonna save your shoulder. I've built other things where I go to drive home at the end of the day and I can't even lift my arm up to adjust the radio, swinging an axe. And so, yeah, whenever possible, whenever swinging, just try to keep your movement as little as possible.